G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. And in this episode, we do an update on the little 94 Buick Skylark that I bought from Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds. So I had a fair bit of work done on this little Buick. If you look back on previous episodes, you know, there was a few dents and dings and peeling paint and things like that. Also, what you probably didn't see was a bit of rust in the car as well. I mean, I bought it from Randy sort of as is, you know, it was a sort of a cheap car, but I just wanted to give it a new lease on life. I've always liked these little Buicks. They're kind of an ugly, weird looking thing. Check out the other episodes on the channel about the car. But I had Brian take some dents out of the bonnet. He's also repainted the bonnet as well. He's replaced some of the pinstriping, not all of it. This windscreen's all broken, so later in the episode you'll see Stu fit a new windscreen to the car, so that'll be good. I ordered that quite a while ago when I had some dramas trying to get the screen fitted in the US. If you check out my third wrecking yard, US wrecking yard video, you'll also see that this is the panel I got from the wreck in America. I had to actually cut it in half to ship it back and then stick it back together again and fill it to put it back together. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to bring it back in the time frame that I wanted. I would have had to ship it back and it wasn't practical. So that part will be fitted when we get the windscreen out. This is also loose. This has to be refitted, the wipers as well. And I've got some windscreen trim, so hopefully I've got everything that Stu needs. He's on his way here now. Also had there's a bit of a rust bubble in the roof. I had that removed and Brian did that and repainted the roof, took out some dents as well. There was clear coat and dents in the rear. So he's painted this all up now. He's done a really, really super job. The car's looking really good actually. And then pretty well painted most of this side of the car. As you can see, he's replaced the pinstriping there. And there was also some pretty severe rust in the quarters. And if you have a look at here you can see the work that Brian's done on the doors, the dog legs. There was quite a bit of corrosion in the car. And I was aware there was some in there, and so it's nothing, you know, I wasn't sort of surprised. I knew what I was buying from Randy, so, you know, that's fine. But the car, as I said, now is a lease on life that it never would have otherwise had. So, you know, it's not perfect, but it's certainly getting there. But if you check out these shots here, you can see all the work that Brian's done, you know, cutting out the rust and replacing it with metal and then filling it, replacing it. So the guys are back to do the windscreen. How long ago did I order this windscreen, Stu? It was a fair while ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, 6 months.
It was a while, yeah, because obviously...
Maybe a bit longer.
Yeah. Because we wasn't going to really pick one up off the shelf around here, were we? You know? So hopefully you won't encounter any problems, but I don't know, we'll soon find out, won't we? I'll get out of your way.
Just grab that side and I'll lift them up. Got it? Yeah.
The fact it's been taken out is probably a good thing. Brian said there wasn't that much rust under the screen anyway, so I don't know. The guy might have just seen a couple of spots and then panicked. I don't know. Who knows? It's not too bad in the cowl either, which is good. Okay, so as it transpires, that is not the right part after doing my multiple wrecking yard searches. I was surprised. I was sure that was the right bit, but no, it's not. So even though it was the same body, had a slightly newer front, obviously they changed the dashboard as well. Good on your GM. That's why you don't make as much money as you should. So I'll have to try and find that panel for one of these Buicks. Anyone knows where I can get one, please let me know. I just said I hope the bloody screen fits. He said don't say. That's the curse of the windscreen guy, is it? Saying that. Oh, it's got a nice tint on it as well, I like that. Nothing but the best for the Skylark. Can't believe that panel's not the right bloody panel. It's nice and clean in the cowl, which is good. Vacuumed it all out. So it's not rusty in there, which is good. Anyway, So yeah, again, any subscribers watching, this model Buick's about a 94 Skylark sedan. I need that piece for it goes in front of the dash. Any local wrecking yards, let me know. Happy to pay for it.
The edge of the body? Yep. I'll have to come around and have a look. I'll have to stretch this mold to suit. Nice shot.
So if you need windscreen work done, make sure you contact Stu if you're in Victoria for all your windscreen needs. Well, maybe not all of them. For your collector car needs, how's that? Do you want that work, Stu?
Sorry?
Do you want the extra work?
Yeah, but not on late model cars.
No, that's what I'm saying, collector cars.
Yeah.
Was this late model or not?
No.
This is old, this is 90s. Okay,
Anything with no sensors.
yeah. Do you want me just to leave that tape on there for how long?
Just for the rest of the day.
Yeah, I mean, there's no hurry to dry. It could just sit in there for a week or 2 weeks or whatever. It's no big deal. All right, now I've got to get this bloody part. The elusive dashboard part. And it doesn't go to the end, it just fits in here, which is interesting. So it just clips in under these clips. Okay, so Stu's fitted the screen with Gary, who was helping him out today, so that's great. Got a brand new windscreen in there, put the mirror back on for me. Got to find a few screws to screw this down because it was missing 3 to 5 screws. Put the wipers back on, and as I said, I need that panel there, but yeah, it's nice to have the screen fitted to it now, plus the work that Brian did on the body. It's looking a lot better now. Much better. Terrific. So the screen's fitted. I've found some screws for that plastic cover, refitted the wipers, and Stu just said to let that the screen set for a day or so. Doesn't need to go anywhere, so that's good. Job done. Thanks, Stu. Top job. Well, I hope you enjoyed that update on the little Buick Skylark. Certainly done quite a bit of work to the car now. There's no way it would have had a life like this if anyone else bought it, I don't think. So it's getting another lease on life. Getting all that rust cut out of it, the new windscreen and the paintwork, just bringing it up to spec. And, you know, it's not perfect, but it'll still be a nice example that of a car that you probably don't see on the road that much these days, you know, particularly in the US now. Very, very rare to see one of these on the road. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give the little Buick a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Bye.